G'day Australia. The new Alpine 9-inch Halo unit for in-car entertainment is a really awesome bit of kit, but we've had a few circumstances during fitting where some people have accidentally damaged the ribbon cable that goes between the main unit and the 9-inch screen. Now, this is not a huge drama. We are able to replace and refit a new ribbon cable, which we can do for you with free return freight in metro areas across Australia for just $150, including installation, GST, and of course that return freight. So if you have a damaged ribbon cable, damaged during installation or otherwise, contact us, universalfuze.com.au, and get in touch. We'll give you the address for the technical workshop where we can fit the new ribbon cable for you and return it to you in Perth metro areas free of charge. If you're in a more remote area, there might be a small delivery fee involved. Get in contact and we're happy to help you out.